The title of this hearing is Oversight of AI, Insiders' Perspectives. And the biggest disconnect that I see between AI insider perspectives and public perceptions of AI companies is when it comes to the idea of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This term, AGI, isn't well defined, but it's generally used to mean AI systems that are roughly as smart or capable as a human. In public and policy conversations, talk of human-level AI is often treated as either science fiction or marketing hype. But many top AI companies, including OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, are treating building AGI as an entirely serious goal, and a goal that many people inside those companies think they might reach in 10 or 20 years, and some believe could be as close as 1 to 3 years away. More to the point, many of these same people believe that if they succeed in building computers that are as smart as humans, or perhaps far smarter than humans, that technology will be, at a minimum, extraordinarily disruptive, and at a maximum could lead to literal human extinction. The companies in question often say that it's too early for any regulation because the science of how AI works and how to make it safe is too nascent. I'd like to restate that in different words. They're saying, we don't have good science of how these systems work or how to tell when they'll be smarter than us. We don't have good science for how to make sure they won't cause massive harm. But don't worry, the main factors driving our decisions are profit incentives and unrelenting market pressure to move faster than our competitors. So we promise we're being extra, extra safe. Whatever these companies say about it being too early for any regulation, the reality is that billions of dollars are being poured into building and deploying increasingly advanced AI systems, and these systems are affecting hundreds of millions of people's lives, even in the absence of scientific consensus about how they work or what will be built next. So I would argue that a wait-and-see approach to policy is not an option. I want to be clear. I don't know how long we have to prepare for smarter-than-human AI, and I don't know how hard it will be to control it and ensure that it's safe. As I'm sure the committee has heard 1,000 times, AI doesn't just bring risks. It also has the potential to raise living standards, help solve global challenges, and empower people around the world. If the story were simply that this technology is bad and dangerous, then our job would be much simpler. The challenge we face is figuring out how to proactively make good policy despite immense uncertainty and expert disagreement about how quickly AI will progress and what dangers will arise along the way. The good news is that there are light-touch, adaptive policy measures we can adopt today that can both be helpful if we do see powerful AI systems soon, and also be helpful with many other AI policy issues that I'm sure we'll be discussing today.